Hello everyone, this is Nimish and today we're going to react and review to the teaser of Urvi, which is a Kannada movie directed by Pradeep Verma. First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Pradeep Verma for granting me the permission to do this teaser reaction and review. And before we speak about the movie in any way, let's go and check the teaser out because I'm absolutely curious. Many of you guys have been requesting me for this, so let's directly go and check the teaser out without reading or understanding anything about it, as I always try to do. Here we go with the teaser of Urvi. Nice quote. Something to do with women for sure. Wow. This is intense. Wow, that looks fantastic. Wow. Okay, first off, right off the bat, that final shot right there of the candle being blown off and a pause was completely haunting. I was half in the mood expecting something to come out and blast off the screen right there, but that was extremely intriguing. So, yeah, that looks like a fantastic trailer. First of all, it stars one of my absolute favorite actors of India, Mr. Achyut Kumar, who I always say, if you've been watching any of my reviews and reactions of his other movies, how much I like him and how he does these crazy character roles and picks up these very nice scripts and understands those characters and delivers them to perfection. I've even watched some of his short films. One of them was about him getting many random calls on the phone. I don't remember the name, but he is absolutely fantastic and he does every character in such a brilliant way. Of course, he also does commercial movies and smaller roles, but whenever he picks up such concept driven movies, he can't go wrong, and the movie can't go wrong because he is absolutely dependable. This movie also has two of my favorite actresses, Shruti Hariharan and Shraddha Srinath, who are like the champions of women in films because they have been doing these amazing concept driven movies like Lucia, U Turn, even Godi Banda Sadharan Maikar 2, and they have shown, and I've not watched many more of their movies, and I've not watched Shweta Pandit either, who I'm sure is fantastic. But these women and these actresses have shown that they can carry a movie on their own shoulders and they can be integral parts of very concept driven movies as a very important character role, not just the passing girl, not just the girl who has to be there in the movie for the sake of it, but they have been completely defining and setting an example about how actresses can carry movies on their own shoulders in such beautiful stories and beautiful characters and beautiful performances. So they are my absolute favorites in the Kannada film industry because I have not seen more versatile women actresses than them. They are fantastic, as I've also said in the reviews of their movies. Now, this looks absolutely mysterious, intriguing, thrilling, suspenseful, and according to the synopsis, is about three girls, Yukti, Bhakti, and Shakti, and it's about their issues that they face and how they come together to fight a greater evil. Now, of course, it's a women-oriented film, as the opening quote itself said. It's about some issues to do with women, but it's not presented in that boring or socially subject-oriented way, which is again something that I said about U-Turn. That in the end, the message was so strong, but the presentation was had nothing to do with social issues or like a documentary or something that the audiences won't enjoy. The USP of a movie like U-Turn was that it was presented in such a dramatic, interesting, mysterious, and entertaining way that at the end the message stayed with you in a completely different way. And that's what I think that this movie will also do for the issues that they are kind of addressing. And it's definitely something to do with women. And the translations of Shakti, Yukti, and Bhakti is energy, intelligence, and devotion. So it's this is definitely a good concept-oriented film. And after a long time, a movie with two or three female leads. You know, we often see multi-starrers of actors, or we often see once in a while this one actress in the lead, especially in Bollywood. It's, you know, either it's Vidya Balan or Rani Mukherjee doing one film in 2 years, which they have a good lead role to do. But we never see three actresses or two actresses or many of these people come together. So this looks fantastic in every possible way, and I am absolutely excited to watch this movie. Again, it is completely down my alley. It's completely down my kind of category of movies that I like, which is these completely intriguing, suspenseful, mystery, you know, concept driven movies which are fantastic to watch on screen. So I'm excited for Urvi. I'm sure you guys are excited for Urvi. You definitely need to share this video, this trailer, not my video, the trailer of the movie, which I've attached the link to. Share it on all your social media. Let people watch this movie. Let people be aware about this movie. This is fantastic. And I hope you like my reaction and review to Urvi. Like, comment, share. Please do subscribe for much, much more and keep watching.